morning all of you. The continuation of last class, exercise 1. Already we are discussing exercise 1.1. Exercise 1. Right, see, some integers are marked on the number line. Some integers are marked on the number line. Which is biggest and which is smallest? Which is biggest and which is smallest? Already compared to 0, all negative numbers are smaller. Compared to 0, all negative numbers are smallest. See, compared to 0, towards right side is increasing order. Towards compared to 0, towards left side is decreasing order. Like, see, some integers on the mark on the number line, which is the biggest, which is the smallest. Like already circle the numbers 1, 2, 3. Which is biggest? 2 is positive, plus minus 3 is 3 negative. This is compared to minus 3, 2 is big. 2 is biggest. Minus 3 is smallest. Minus 3 is smallest. Here. Next, second Roman. Write the integers between the pairs. What is the pairs? Minus 5, minus 10 of in pairs of integers given below. Also choose the biggest and smallest integers from them. Like, see, write the between minus 4, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Like between between minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, like this. What is the between 5 and minus 10? This is between. See here, write the integers between the pairs of integers. Write the between pairs. What is pair? Minus 5, minus 10 of integers given below. Also choose the biggest and smallest of integers from them. Compared to all, which is big? Minus 5 is big. Compared to all numbers, minus 5 is biggest. Minus 10 is smallest. See, only between. Therefore, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6. Minus 6 is biggest, minus 9 is biggest. Only between. How many between? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers. What is 4 digits? Minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6. Compared to 4 numbers, which is big? Minus 6 is big, minus 9 is smallest. So, minus 6 is biggest. Minus 9 is smallest. But anyway, right? The totally minus 5 is biggest, minus 10 is smallest. Only between minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6. Therefore, minus 6 is biggest, minus 9 is smallest. Go to 3, 2. What is 3, 2? For example, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Like 0 compared towards is the right side is the increasing order, 0 towards left side is a decreasing order. See, minus 2 is the smallest, plus 3 is the biggest. See, go to at the same time in between. What is between? 2 and minus 1. 2 and minus 1 is minus 2 is biggest, minus 1 is smallest. Minus 2 is biggest, minus 1 is smallest. Same. Therefore, minus 8, minus 5. Minus 8, minus 5. What is minus 8, minus 5? Minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, take orderly, easily understand. Write again, take orderly. Take one line. Minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like like this. See, write the integers between the pairs. What is the integer between the pair? Between means this is between. Compare to all numbers, 5 is biggest, minus 8 is smallest. In between, 4 is biggest, minus 7 is smallest. Like this. Go to third Roman. Write the following integers in ascending order. Oh, I forget that. See, write the following integers in ascending order. What is meaning of ascending order? Ascending order is increasing order. What is meaning of increasing order? Small to big. For example, you take 1. Therefore, minus 5 to 1 minus 8. Write the order. Minus 8. Write the ascending order. What is the compared to all? What is the smallest? Minus 8 is smallest. After 5, 1, 2. This is the ascending order of above given numbers, given digits. At the same time, this is in ascending order, decreasing order. At the same time, decreasing order means quite reverse order. 2, 1, minus 5, minus 8 is a decreasing order. Decreasing order, descending order, whatever it may be, no problem. Both are same meaning. Decreasing order. Second, minus 4, minus 3, minus 5, 2. What is the smallest all? Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, 2. 2 is minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2. This is ascending order or increasing order. At the same time, small to big. Compare, this is ascending order. Descending order. What is descending order? Quite reverse order. 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. This is a descending order. Go to 3. At the same time, what is ascending order? Minus 15, minus 10, minus 7 is ascending order. Quite reverse order. Minus 7, minus 10, minus 15 as descending order. This is ascending order. This is a descending order. Go to fourth Roman. What is the fourth Roman? Write the following integers in descending order. Already we have discussed what is the ascending order, what is the descending order. Okay, right? You practice more. You can do. Therefore, what is ascending order? Descending order means big to small. What is big? Minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. This is descending order. What is the ascending order? Quite reverse order. Minus 5, minus 3, minus 2. This is the descending order. This is ascending order. D, descending O order. A, ascending O means order. Right. Go to this. What is the descending order? Big to small. What is big to small? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 8. This is descending order. What is ascending order? Quite reverse order. Minus 8, minus 2, minus 1. Minus 1. This is a descending order. This is ascending order. As some third, what is big to small? 8, 5, minus 2 is the descending order. At the same time, minus 2, 5, 8 are ascending order. Right. Go to fifth Roman. Represent 6, 4, minus 4, 0 and 4 on the number line. Show on the number line. Represent on the number line. What would mean? Represent on the number line. See, already we have discussed. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Right, represent means, right, circle the digit 0, 4, minus 4, 6. This is like represent on 6 comma minus 4 comma 0 and 4 on the number line, or on the show on the number line, represent on the number line, draw on the number line, right? What may be, both are all are same meaning, right? Go to 6th Roman. What is the 6th Roman? See, fill in the missing integers on the number line given below. Fill in the right. Fill means write the number line on the missing numbers on the number line. Number line. See, here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is already there. This is also given number. Just missing number in between missing numbers, missing numbers. Like this. See, at the same time, minus 5. Sorry, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. These are missing numbers. Like, fill the missing integers on the number line given below. Line given below. Go to 7th Roman. Here is the temperatures. The temperature in the degree Celsius. The temperature indicates degree and Celsius. Degree and Celsius, like this, degree and Celsius. Of 5 cities in the India on the particular day are shown on the number line. Right. See, this is the integer line. 0 towards increasing, towards right side is increasing order. 0 towards the left side is decreasing order. See, Ooty 15 degrees, Bangalore 20 degrees, Nainital minus 5 degrees centigrade, and Manali means minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. Minus 9 degrees centigrade, 10, 11. What will be right? This is right. Here, the questions is there compared to the above. According to above sum, the questions is there. Write the temperatures on the cities marked on it, just right. Therefore, Kasauli. What is Kasauli? Minus 10 degrees centigrade, and Manali minus 9 degrees centigrade. Nainital, just right. Nainital, what is Nainital? Minus 5 degrees centigrade. Ooty 15 degrees centigrade. Bangalore, what is Bangalore? 20 degrees centigrade. Just right. Therefore, give the number. That means no confuse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Which cities has the highest temperature? What is the highest temperature? See, here is minus 10 degrees centigrade, minus 10 degrees centigrade compared to 1, 2, 3, 4. Compared to 4 cities, minus 10 degrees centigrade is the lowest, smallest degree centigrade. Here is asked which is the city has the highest temperature. What is the highest temperature compared to on the number line? Which city? Bangalore is highest temperature. Bangalore is highest temperature. What is the highest temperature? 20 degrees centigrade. Which city has lowest temperature? Compared to on the number line, this is last. Bangalore is last. This side compared to 0, right side is Bangalore is last. Compared to 0, therefore the left side is Kasauli is last. Therefore, compared to 20, minus 10 is lowest degree centigrade. Kasauli. What is Kasauli? Minus 10 degree centigrade. Which cities have temperature less than 0 degree centigrade? Less than 0 degree centigrade, this means 0. This side is less than. This side is less than. This side is greater than 0. which cities have temperatures less than 0? Less than 0. Less than 0 means which cities? Nainital, Manali, Kasauli. Nainital, Manali, Kasauli. Write the ascending order. Kasauli. Sorry. Kasauli. What is Kasauli? Minus 10 degrees centigrade. Next, Manali. What is Manali? Minus 9 degrees centigrade. Next, Nainital. Nainital. What is Nainital? Minus 5 degrees centigrade. Go to 5. Name the cities with the temperature more than 0 degree centigrade. More than 0 degree centigrade means more than 0 degree. More than 0 degree. More than 0 degree. Like what is more than 0 degree? More means 0 more. 5, 10, 15, 20 up to so on. Therefore, Ooty. What is Ooty? 15 degrees centigrade. Next, Bangalore. Bangalore means 20 degrees centigrade. This line. Go to exercise 2. The represent in the following the additions on a number line. 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 Already we have discussed. Right? One more. 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7. Addition on the number line. Therefore, 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Addition on the line. First of all, you draw the number line. Number line. How many? 5 plus 7, 12. Any negative number? No negative number. From start 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 30. Five plus 7. 5 plus 7. Already 5 plus 7. This is 5. Arrow mark is very important. Like plus 7. Plus 7. There. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I jump directly this one. What is the result? Always result. Always result. Plus. For example, same this also. Okay, go to third. 5 plus of minus 2. 5 plus of minus 2 means 5 plus into minus 2, that is equal to 3. Sorry, you draw the number line. Draw the number line. Therefore, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Minus 2. Therefore, minus 1, minus 2. Right. See, 0. 5 plus, first of all you go to 5. 5. Right. Plus means towards, compared to 5 or towards right side. Okay, minus 2. Minus 2 means towards left. Plus means towards right, minus means towards left. Compared to that number, compared to the 5, minus 2. Minus 2 means, jump this. 1, 2. Therefore, minus 2. The result is minus 2 plus 5. This is, what is the result? 3. 3 is the result. Okay. 2 and 4 is homework. 2 and 4 is homework. That is our part. Continuation of before class. Therefore, see exercise 2. And exercise 2, in the exercise 2, one Roman is completed. Roman 2. Computing the following. What is meaning of computing? Find, solve. Therefore, find. Therefore, 7 plus 4, 11. Already well known to you. Therefore, that is equal to 8 plus or minus 3. 8 plus into minus 3. The result is 5. Therefore, 11 plus 3 is 14. At the same time, 14 plus or minus 6 means 14 plus into minus 6, that is equal to 8. 5. 9 plus of minus 7. 9 plus of minus 7. 9 plus into minus 7, that is equal to 2. Here, plus 14 plus into minus 10, that is equal to 4. 13 plus of minus 15, that is equal to 13. 13 plus into minus 15, that is equal to minus 2. 4 plus into minus 4, that is equal to 0. See. plus the 10 plus into minus minus 2, that is equal to 8. At the same time 9 and 10 is homework. 9 and 10 is homework. You can do. Go to exercise 3. See exercise 3. The exercise 3 total is subtraction of integers. Represent the following the subtractions on the number line. For example, you take 1. You draw the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Right. 7 minus 2. First of all, from 0, jump on the 7. This is the positive values. Minus 2 means the reverse order. Compared to 7 and reverse. Therefore, go to left side. Means 1 minus 2. 2 means 1, 2. Therefore, this is minus. Therefore, the result is 5. Therefore, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Right. Next, at the same time, 3 minus 7. This is homework. Second is homework. 3 minus 7. Draw the number line. Therefore, see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. See minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Right. See, first of all, you go to jump on 3. 3 means this is positive 3. Minus 7 means compared to 3 towards left side. How many minus 7? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is minus 4. 3 minus 7 is minus 4. Like fourth is homework. Fifth, draw a number line. See 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See minus 5 minus of minus 8 means 5. Minus 8 minus plus 8, that is equal to 30. See, first of all, you go to the 5. Next, minus of minus is plus 8. 8 means 5 plus 8 means 30. 5 plus 8 means 30. This is the result. Therefore, 6 is homework. Next, completing second Roman in exercise 3. According to subtraction, therefore, 17 minus into minus plus 14, that is equal to 31. At the same time, 13 minus into minus plus 8, that is equal to 21. Same, this is homework. See, this is also homework. 25 minus 13, homework. Therefore, 80 plus into minus plus 50, that is equal to 130. Next, see 150 minus 17. 150 minus 75 is equal to 75. Yes or no? The 75 is double is 150. 150 of 75. Like this is also, therefore 32 minus into minus plus 18, 20, 50. Right. Express minus 6 as the sum of negative integer. Express minus 6 as the sum of negative integer and whole number. Negative integer and whole number means therefore minus 7 plus 1 is equal to minus 6. Minus 7 is integer, plus 1 is whole number. That is equal to what is the result is negative. That is 6. The remaining is the next continuation on the next class.